Nice.
Yeah. So if you go to campaigns, right here I have
Because
automated message. Yeah.
yes.
Check this out. Like
Nice.
this one is a SMS, email,
Uh-huh.
email. Go out. It can go out days after days. And get this, you can also drop a voicemail on their ass.
Wow. See,
You
here's the
can
thing. All this is in one system. It's
in the
great.
in
It
yes.
works, right? Because I can tell you one thing. 3 of those services that you just told me about, voicemail, mass text, and automated
It's all separate apps.
follow-ups. Let me tell you something. It's from 3 different apps. One is called Line Desk, one is called Voicemail or whatever it's called, or Umail, and then one is called what was the third one? Actually, four programs that offer those 3.
Exactly.
Vulkan 7, Google Voice, Mozilla Firefox, Lion Desk, and another one maybe. And you got it all in one.
And this right here works as an auto dialer. It will keep dialing people and also only connect you with the people that answer. Okay.
So the dialer would be you're following up with your lead, not prospecting your clients, correct? Okay.
Yes, well, both. I mean, you can prospect or you can follow up with your leads, yes. So you can actually create a campaign. This campaign could be like a cold outreach campaign. And you can go to your contacts. Let's say this is your campaign and that you want to send to your contacts. You want to click on contacts. You want to select all of your contacts and you select all 540. And we're going to add them to that campaign with the multiple emails, text message, voicemail, the whole 9. We can add them to that campaign. Once we add them, they will get that stuff.
So you have a real estate home seller's guide, and it's going to automatically follow up. Email and text message.
And voicemail and everything else that we set up.
When they respond, when they text back, does it go to your personal number, or do you have a work number, or does it only go to the app?
It comes to the app and it comes as a notification, like somebody responded.
Okay, cool.
But yeah, it's usually at the app, but you can always set up a trigger right here in the trigger section where you can say if somebody like, let's say for example, if somebody responds right here, client responds, what happens? You can send the SMS and that SMS would come to me telling me like somebody responded. Also, if customer responds, we can add them to a specific campaign. So now we can automate text messaging. So let's say I'm gonna make